there, it's me, Skepper, and before we get to the quest, I just want to say that I am grinding a lot because, well, there's a new season pass, and I really just want to get to the end, but somehow I don't think I'm going to be getting to the end in a week or so. But that's fine because I need stuff to do, and I'm most of the time bored and feral. Although you can't really be bored and feral because there's lots of stuff to do. Like, I guess, okay, so there's a quest in Liquid Valley, and I'm going to be doing that now. I changed my look from a samurai or something. Okay, let me do that. Okay, so I changed my look from a samurai to a dragon just for the sake of doing it. Oh no, it's lagging. Oh, that's nice music, I guess. Want to hear a hard but completely real truth? Of course you do. Well, what I'm about to tell you is bigger than the Marfrock mud monsters in the battle of... Okay, yeah. Both Ogassa and Arrow Peak villages, our very society itself, has been brainwashed to believe that birds eat seeds. Wait, what? I knew birds were hiding something. We gotta prove it. We gotta prove it once and for all. You and me are in this together now. Take this so-called bird seed and spread it around the village. They're supposed to sweep up all the seed themselves. They'll see it was foolish to think that birds would eat it. What if they do show up? The world must know the truth. Birds eat seed. Don't birds eat seed? Birds have got to eat seed. The winged one have been summoned, obviously. What's here? Oh, there's a thing. I'm going to spread all the seed. The bird just ate the seed, right? Isn't that why the seed just disappeared? Okay. Look at these crows enjoying seed. No. That was the wrong button. This one. Okay, yeah. And then we go here. Well, that settles it. Birds definitely like seed, especially crows. Time to talk to Nicolaj and make a case for his rather definitive, or whatever that means. I'm not going to say it because I'm too lazy to. Well, so, I was wrong about birds. You think I'm nothing if not a kobold of integrity. I may have overestimated the real trueness of this case, but I know for a fact that all those kobolds in the Blood Tundra are zombies. What? That can't be right. Well, now there are crows all over the place, and that's someone else's problem. Oh, that's nice. A vintage beach shawl. What did I get here? Oh, that's nice. It's like a little plushie, kind of. Okay. And I got a vintage beach shawl. You know, that looks nice. Oh, that's cute. Maybe it'll look better on a kitten or something. I guess. Yeah, wait, what else does he have to say? Most conspiracy theories are nothing but bunk. A good thing I know how to tell the difference. Yeah. Why don't our villages have record houses? I've been politely asked to leave from all the ones in City Farah, in the Shattered Bay, and the Sunken Thicket. Unbelievable. I ask you, where is a theorist supposed to theorize? You have your own house, right? So why can't you theorize there? Oh, these birds are cute. But now what are we gonna do with the birds? Okay, that's not my problem. I'm just gonna skedaddle. So that's the end for this quest. Pretty short one. I'd have to tell you that I'm not going to clean up any messes that the birds make, because I was only being told what to do. So, ta-ta!